Good day, welcome to Mathematics series. Yesterday, we learned about the properties of parallel lines. Today, we are going to learn how to use the property of parallel lines to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Let's go. We have a question on the board which says, use the property of parallel lines to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. But before we actually solve this question, we have to learn something, which is, if we have a straight line HG, and if we have different angles on a straight line, let's say we have angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D on a straight line HG. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D all add up to 180 degrees. So it means that the sum of angles on a straight line, all angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Now back to the question, use the property of parallel lines to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. We have two parallel lines, and in between the parallel lines, we have a triangle. Now, if the triangle is made up of two transversal, you can see a transversal here and a transversal here. Now, on this parallel line, which is a straight line, we have angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. And we have learned that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So it simply means angle X, Y, and Z will add up to 180. So angle X, angle Y, and angle Z equals 180 degrees. Now, but let's actually try to revise what we learned yesterday. We said if we have angles in the position of X and A, we can see X and A are on opposite sides of the transversal. And because they are on opposite sides of the transversal, we can see X and we have A here. We said X is alternating to A. So angle X is alternating to A. And yesterday we learned that alternating angles are equal to each other. So this means that angle X is equal to angle A. Likewise, angle Z and angle V are on opposite sides of the transversal. So Z is alternating to B. So if angle Z is alternating to angle B, it means that angle Z is equal to angle B. So angle Z is alternating to angle B. So angle Z is equal to angle B. Now, we call it the first equation we have on the board. We take this equation as equation 1. So equation 1 says angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z add up to 180 degrees. But angle X is alternating to angle A. So but angle X is alternating to A. So X equals A. X equals A. And angle Z is alternating to B. So Z equals B. So angle Z equals B. So this simply means if angle X is equal to angle A and angle Z is equal to angle B, we can actually replace X with A in this equation and Z with B in this equation. So let's substitute A for X and B for Z in this equation. So we have X, we are going to replace it with A. So angle A plus Y plus angle Z, which is B, plus B equals 180 degrees. Now let's see what we have. Angle A is inside the triangle. Angle Y is inside the triangle. Angle B is inside the triangle. So I will say angle A plus angle Y plus angle B equals 180 degrees. So we have been able to prove that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees using the properties of parallel lines Book the How Tutors for your personalized online chemistry and mathematics class at an affordable price. Follow the How Tutors for daily chemistry and mathematics content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.